Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. Ito na yung Lake Hodges Pedestrian Bridge. So bali dyan, doon sa nakita nyo may bike na lumabas, kakaliwa na tayo dyan. So ito na yung destination natin. Ito na yung Lake Hodges Pedestrian Bridge. Ayan guys, kararating lang natin dito sa Lake Hodges Pedestrian Bridge. Bale, ito na yung destination na pinuntahan natin ngayong araw na ito. So, maabot ng 1 hour 42 minutes mula bahay itong biyahe natin. Kasi medyo nawala tayo eh. So, umabot din ng 30 minutes yung kinonsume natin dun sa may Artesian Road. So, ayan. Tingnan natin kung gaano kahaba itong Lake Hodges. Ayan, tuklasin natin.
The David Kreitzer Lake Hodges Bicycle or Pedestrian Bridge is the longest stress ribbon bridge in the world. A stress ribbon bridge is a tension structure. The suspension cables are embedded in the deck, which follows a catenary arc between supports. Unlike the simple span, the ribbon is stressed in traction, which adds to the stiffness of the structure. The bridge was formally named the David Kreitzer Lake Hodges Bicycle Pedestrian Bridge in honor of David Kreitzer, longtime park supporter and volunteer and 21-year county planning commissioner. From end to end, the bridge measures 995 feet or 303 meters. The bridge includes gates that will automatically lock people out between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. The south entrance to the bridge is just off Pomerado Road at I-15, and the north entrance is at the end of a mile-long paved path that begins near Sunset Drive and by Rancho Parkway. Lake Hodges is a lake and reservoir located in Southern California, about 31 miles north of San Diego and just south of Escondido, California. When full, the reservoir has 1,235 acres, a maximum water depth of 115 feet, and 27 miles of shoreline. Lake Hodges is owned by the City of San Diego and supplies water to the San Dieguito Water District and Santa Fe Irrigation District.
Yan guys, tapos na yung natin ngayon. Pamamasyal, uuwi na tayo kasi tanghali na, oras ay 11:26 na ng tanghali. So mula rito hanggang sa bahay, abutin siya ng 1 hour and 21 minutes. Pero ngayon, ibang route na yung dadaanan natin. That's it guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa Dove Canyon Road. In 1 mile, kakanan na tayo sa Carmel Valley Road. Ayan, thank you for watching. See you next time.